Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is Saturday, November 1st. I'm just getting straight into it. I'm headed to St. Elizabeth to go and visit my dad. After the hurricane, I have not heard from him or anything, and in St. Elizabeth, they would have gotten it the worst. So at this point, I would have reached safely, seen my father, and the phone lines are down, and it's the reason why we weren't able to get through to him.
You see that one down this way flat?
Look how much I could recognize right there.
See, one down this way flat. The next to it. Come on over there.
I look about us over the side.
Run and so?
Yeah, hold it on there. I run a mama this way.
Yeah, What's your?
Yeah, that is a rain pouring yesterday. That is a rain pouring down here yesterday. Come on here.
Me not play with them.
So, no, yes, we pass that time south of Ghana.
The water stink.
Go away, I'm going to
While passing this property, I realized that every single structure was flat, and after looking very close, I realized that there were a lot of baby clothes on the lines. I can know that there is a young baby over there, but it looks as though that they have re-erected one of the structures.
Yes.
No put it. He was alright, man. But you can't drive over there. I like coconut tree them fall over there. I mean, about 3 coconut trees. We have coconut over there.
Good. So I fall under that door? I lie.
I probably shop.
I'm not trying to.
No, but as we
So we-
put on a 6 yard, I know it's a different road down there. I just driving.
She said we can drive for them.
They have a different road where they took them driving nice.
I'm driving skiing.
What here? What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just have to hold
We
down
can
the
bend down.
head.
Put your
Yeah.
hand on it there.
What here?
Oh, my drive.
I'm going to go and ski.
Oh my word.
No?
Them goat are pretty though.
You know, you can never say, man, you never know what they're doing.
You only know say so. You remember?
Oh wow.
Water lily business there.
I was so happy and relieved that my father was good. There was no damage to the house. And we went straight ahead. As you can see, the coconut trees are down. So we went straight ahead and get some coconut and spend some time with him.
Coconut, you know?